Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we're gonna learn how to move your YouTube channel from your current email address to a brand account. This is only can possible to move your current existing channel with your all your videos, playlists, likes and all the comments with the comments to the another account. That account should be a brand account. So today we're gonna learn how to create a brand account and how to move your current existing channel to that brand account. So let's we start. First of all, go to the YouTube, and after opening the YouTube on your PC, just sign in with the account in which your channel is associated with. That must be a Google account. I just sign in with my Google account, and here we go. So here is the YouTube is open in front of me. Now go, you need, as you see, this is the logo of my channel, and now you need to go to the settings, and here you see my current channel is not a brand account, because you see this is just an a Gmail account, and my current channel is associated with it. As you see, you need with your Google account. Now we need to create a brand account. So for that we need to give account name. I'm giving Deep the Geek, which is the name of my channel, and then you click to the create. After that, you can see that there is a channel name as Deep the Geek is created as in your brand account. Now we need to check if the channel is created properly. We need to go to the settings again. As you see here, now this is my brand account. As you see the channel manager, you need you see that this option is enabled now. That means this is my brand account. Now we need to move our current existing channel to this brand account. For this we need to go back to our email account, switch account. Now this is my old account associated with my channel. Now here this is account. Now we need to go to the advanced settings. The both of my channels are showing. You can also create new channels, but we need to move our existing channel to the brand account. For that we need to go view or change your Google account. We need to go to the advanced settings. Now here, as you see, there is an option called move channel. Now click to it. Click move channel to a brand account. So here is the as you see there above is my current channel, which is an associated with my Google account. Now there is a brand account showing on my channel, so I can move my existing channel to that brand account, Deep the Geek. Before moving the channel, it's asking to delete the existing channel, so I am deleting that channel. So delete it. And as you see now, there is 14 videos on my that channel, and same for 7 videos on same that channel. Now move channel here. Okay, now you see it will take some time. It takes 10 minutes to update your account to complete, so it will take some time. I just click to OK. It may be show you the X page is not accessed like this. Something went wrong. You need to refresh your page after that. I'm refreshing it in a second. Yes. Okay. So Now you see this is my the old Gmail account. Now I need to switch to my brand account, that is this one without logo. So as you see now, this is my brand account and my channel is now associated with my brand account. For checking, I'm going to my channel. As you see now, here is the channel Deep the Geek. So this is all for this video. Thank you so much.